Hey guys, a quick update video. I've been working on replacing all the internal data structures, which is heavily entangled with the Quake CVM. So this is quite a tedious job. I also recorded a video on what exactly I've been doing and why I'm doing things, but I haven't released it yet because it needs some editing. Unfortunately, it's a bit too long. Other than that, this is almost finished, though I don't have much time this week, so there are a few things I need to finish and hook up and clean up, and then we are ready. The second news is I already put the code on GitHub and it's public now. I also released the first deployment with a shareware version. It's supposed to connect you to a co-op session. I also observed the server log a bit, and I saw there are a few bugs. I need to fix them. So right now they're in there, unfortunately, but I fixed them already on my local system. So yeah, maybe on the weekend I might have some time to work on this a little bit more. I also need to set up a deploy pipeline because right now I'm copy pasting files whenever I think it's ready to be released, which is not good. I want to make this modern, and in modern times you're supposed to use a CI/CD so that you have a deploy pipeline with this running some tests and building stuff and automatically deploying it to your target servers. Anyway, yeah, this is a quick update. The code is ready. You can check it out. It's quite rough around the edges because I'm in the middle of so many things at the same time. And right now the biggest priority is to clean up this pfpr sv mess with all those we_float int constructions, which makes kind of sense. I explained it in a previous video, which I haven't released yet, but I hope I will find some time to give a deep dive on this and what I've been doing and how I restructured the code. And then the next step is gonna be looking into having the game code actually in JavaScript instead of Quake C, and still remain compatibility to Quake C and the compiled Quake C. So yeah, this is from my end. This is a quick update. I hope you're still engaged, and yeah, feel free to check out the game. Please keep in mind it's still a little bit buggy, and whenever the server crashes, it will spawn at E1, M1 again, but yeah, I'm gonna fix it, hopefully on the weekend, like I said. Okay, have a good one.